direction just changed, dude. Hey, just give you a heads up. Wind direction just changed. Now it's coming toward us. Where side it was just going sideways.
That's good or bad?
Very, very bad. Very, very bad.
You just take a nap and we'll wake up in 30 minutes and reassess.
Alright, but all joking aside, behind the stop sign over here, or underneath that underpass, if you hear like a high-pitched squeal or anything like that, go underneath the underpass over there to your left, alright?
Can't really see an underpass. Oh yeah, okay, I see it.
Yeah, you should have just stayed on the freeway and stopped underneath that bridge.
Yeah, but so many people are going to be stopping underneath that bridge right now.
Yeah, we would have been the first ones there.
That's not a good sign. That's actually one of the guys that chases tornadoes.
Who? Where?
He's asleep.
The one that just passed us. Hey, it's dying down. I say we get moving.
Oh, you think?
All right, hold on a minute.
Wow. That's really moving this truck.
Yeah.
More than it was a while ago.
Yeah.
Wow. This is a lot of weight to be throwing around, dude.